Credit Versio Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. Most people get credit management apps wrong by assuming they're just for monitoring scores. Credit Versio in 2025 combines credit monitoring, reporting and guidance, but is it trustworthy? Credit Versio tracks credit activity, alerts users to changes, and provides tips to improve scores. The surprising truth is in sight. You won't believe what happens next when you see personalized recommendations for paying down debt, correcting errors, and optimizing credit utilization all in one place. Another advantage is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking credit monitoring is complex. Credit Versio's dashboard is intuitive, mobile-friendly, and consolidates multiple credit bureaus for a complete overview. However, cons exist. Premium features, such as advanced analytics and identity protection, require subscription fees. Alerts depend on timely data updates, and while guidance is helpful, financial decisions still require personal judgment. In conclusion, Credit Versio is ideal for users in 2025 seeking a comprehensive, user-friendly tool to monitor and improve credit. It's practical for beginners and experienced users alike, offering actionable insights and peace of mind. While not a substitute for professional advice, it's a powerful companion for anyone serious about managing their credit effectively.